Do you ever feel like building wealth is out of reach? Like it's this exclusive club reserved for those born into money or those who win the lottery? Let me tell you, that's just not true. The truth is, wealth isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's built by following specific habits that anyone can adopt. In this video, we'll reveal 7 powerful habits that wealthy people swear by, backed by real examples and practical tips that you can implement right away. Stick around, because these habits could change your financial future forever. Wealthy people understand that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Staying informed is crucial for making wise financial decisions. The more you know, the better equipped you are. Dedicate 30 minutes daily to learning. Start with a personal finance book or an online course. Platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, and Udemy offer affordable courses. Make learning a daily habit. Just like working out, the more you exercise your financial literacy, the stronger it becomes. Make a commitment today. Invest in your financial education and watch your knowledge grow. Living below your means is the foundation of building wealth. It's about being smart and intentional with your money, making choices that align with your values and long-term goals. Imagine 2 people with the same income. One spends every penny, the other saves and invests. Who will be better off in the long run? It's about balance. Enjoy today but plan for tomorrow. Create a budget that aligns with your income and goals. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB can make this process easier and even fun. Small changes can lead to big savings over time. Embrace living below your means. Your future self will thank you. Let's face it, relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. If something happens to that one source, you're in trouble. Wealthy people understand this, and that's why they focus on creating multiple streams of income. They know that the more income streams they have, the more secure their financial future becomes. Now you might be thinking, easier said than done. I have a job, a family, and barely enough time in the day as it is. And I hear you. But the good news is, starting small can make a huge difference. You don't need to quit your job and launch $1 million business overnight. Think about your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Could you turn that into a side hustle? The internet has opened up endless possibilities for generating income on the side. Remember, it's not about replacing your job overnight. It's about creating options and building financial security for yourself and your family. Imagine getting in your car and starting to drive without a destination in mind. You might feel a sense of freedom initially, but soon, the lack of direction will catch up with you. The same goes for your finances. Without a clear plan, managing money can become a stressful and overwhelming task. Wealthy people understand the importance of setting clear, specific financial goals. They know that having a target helps them stay focused and motivated. They know where they want to go, and have a roadmap to get there. This roadmap guides their decisions and actions. Write down your goals, both short-term and long-term. This act of writing makes them feel more real and tangible. Regularly track your progress and celebrate your wins along the way. Each small victory brings you closer to your ultimate goal. In the world of finance, there are 2 main approaches: short-term trading and long-term investing. Short-term trading is like sprinting. It's fast-paced, risky, and often driven by emotion. Long-term investing, on the other hand, is like running a marathon. It requires patience, discipline, and a focus on the long game. Guess which approach wealthy people tend to favor? You got it, long-term investing. They understand that building true wealth takes time and that trying to get rich quick often leads to disappointment, or worse, financial ruin. Long-term investing is about riding out the market's ups and downs and focusing on the overall upward trend. It's about letting the magic of compound interest work its wonders. Compound interest is like a snowball effect. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest, and so on, growing exponentially over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, the power of compound interest will amaze you over the long run. Start today, even if it's just with a small amount, and watch your wealth grow over time. You've probably heard the saying, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Well, it's true, especially when it comes to your finances. The people you surround yourself with can have a huge impact on your mindset, your habits, and ultimately, your financial success. Think about it. If you're constantly surrounded by people who are reckless with their money, complain about their jobs, and have no ambition to improve their lives, it's easy to get sucked into that negative vortex. Wealthy people understand the importance of surrounding themselves with positive, success-minded individuals. They seek out mentors, join mastermind groups, and attend networking events where they can connect with like-minded people who inspire and challenge them to grow. Start by joining online communities or forums related to your interests or financial goals. Attend local workshops or seminars on personal finance or entrepreneurship. Remember, the goal is to surround yourself with people who uplift you, inspire you, and challenge you to become the best version of yourself, both financially and personally. When I say take calculated risks, I don't mean betting your life savings on your cousin's startup idea or investing in the latest meme stock you saw on Reddit. Taking calculated risks is about stepping outside of your comfort zone, embracing opportunities that have the potential for growth, and making informed decisions based on research and careful consideration. Wealthy people understand that staying stagnant is a surefire way to stay stuck. They're not afraid to take risks, but they do so strategically, weighing the potential rewards against the potential downsides. Before making any big financial decision, take the time to assess the worst-case scenario. Ask yourself, if this investment doesn't work out, how will it impact my overall financial situation? If the potential downside is something you can handle without derailing your financial goals, then it might be a risk worth taking. Of course, it's crucial to do your research, seek advice from trusted experts, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But don't let fear paralyze you from taking calculated risks that could potentially lead to significant financial rewards. So there you have it, 7 powerful habits that can transform your financial life. These aren't just random tips, they're the principles that wealthy people live by, and they're principles that you can implement starting today. Which habit will you start today? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others unlock their financial potential. See you in the next one.